4 hours, the impeachment trial of suspended Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton is supposed to get underway in Austin. There are 20 articles of impeachment, and Paxton's lawyers want them all thrown out. Senators serving as jurors will consider 16 of them in this trial. And before opening statements start, a majority could vote to dismiss any or all of them. Paxton is just the third public official to ever be impeached in Texas. The other two were removed from office. As Adam Bennett explains tonight, that is a possibility as well for Paxton.
Before defending his job in Austin tomorrow, suspended Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton and his wife, Senator Angela Paxton, addressed supporters near Dallas over the weekend.
I would love to talk about what's coming up for me in the next couple of weeks. I have a gag order on me, so I cannot talk about that.
Paxton's impeachment trial centers around accusations he misused his office to benefit a political donor, Austin real estate developer Nate Paul. In late 2020, 8 of Paxton's top employees reported these concerns to the FBI and were later fired or resigned. 4 of those whistleblowers sued Paxton and reached a $3.3 million settlement this past February. Paxton wanted taxpayers to. That request to state lawmakers led to a secret House investigation. Days after its findings were made public in May, the GOP-dominated Texas House voted 121 to 23 to impeach Paxton and immediately suspend him from office.
The chair directs the chief clerk to notify the governor of the House's actions.
Now it's up to the Texas senators serving as jurors to decide whether to convict and remove Paxton from the role. It'll take 2/3 of them, or 21. Senator Angela Paxton will attend, but will not be allowed to vote or take part in closed-door discussions. Assuming all 12 Democrats vote to impeach, that means 9 Republicans would need to as well.
Because of the politics of this, there's a lot of controversy, and the senator jurors are definitely wary of extending this out for a political perspective. Legally, of course, they have to decide whether or not there's a reasonable cause to be able to get some of these articles out, and so they're going to have to make some tough choices here.
That is Adam Bennett reporting. The impeachment trial starts at 9 a.m. tomorrow. More than 100 people could be called to testify. We'll be covering it gavel to gavel, and you can find updates on air and online at 12newsnow.com.